What's up, guys? In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your default browser inside Windows 10, and also this applies for Windows 11. Okay, so making it default basically means that every time you click on a link, okay, and no matter what kind of application, is going to be opened by the browser that you have in your computer by default. Okay, so in order to do this, let's go into type here to search and let's type settings. Okay, here you got the application. So once you is open it, let's go into apps. And here we got default apps option. Just click on it. And then here we can see that the web browser by default in our computer is Microsoft Edge. So it means that every time I open a link from a third-party application, it's going to be opened by here. Okay, so let's make an example. So let's suppose that this is a link that we're going to use, for example. Okay, so let's go to click on it. As you can see here, the browser is uh, the browser that is being opened in YouTube is Microsoft Edge, as you can see here. Okay, close Microsoft Edge. Okay, it means that this is the application by default. So in order to change it, just go to web browser option, click on it, and then choose Google Chrome. Okay, and then let's go to make the exactly the same thing that we did before. Let's go to close this. Let's go to open it. And as you can see here, now it's opened by um, Google Chrome. Okay. And that's the easy way how to change this web browser by default. I hope this helped you. And if you have something interesting to share, let's leave it in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next one.